There they are. Zip 6 HippoXL 122r's. Full acrylic box. The side panels will be 3/4 inch aluminum with all their pre-drills for the wire outlets and power inputs. Here's the power. 3 massive P8s, 2 massive what are they? They're PR4Xs. Even a massive head unit. I don't know if you can see that. And then there will be 6 M8 Slims, 4 MT1s, 2 M10s. These are all going into a convertible Mustang with everything in the build with the sub enclosures and amp racks and mid speakers, everything being made out of acrylic. So this is the start of it. It's heavy. As you can see, the floor jack was a very valuable tool in flipping this box. It needs cleaned, but a lot of work, a lot of heavy work. Next task is actually getting it close to the car. Don't know if you can see, the 4 on the inside are inverted so that they don't take up tunnel space. The box will be fully sealed. They will share the same air and tune to the same frequency, all 3 amps. Shouldn't be any issues. Thanks for watching.